Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2022 Mitsubishi Triton, stock number 6758. This ran from the 11th 2018 to 10th 2023. It has a 4N15, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4N15, 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Spare wheel. Right rear 16-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,